everyone, welcome back to our nursing blog YouTube channel. Today we solve 20 important MCQ on pediatric nursing. So let's start our MCQ session. Our first MCQ, father of pediatric nursing. Option A, Abraham Jacobi, B, Graham Bell, C, Louis Pasteur and D, Robert Hooke. And our correct answer is A, Abraham Jacobi. So let's see other option, that Graham Bell is a invented telephone, Louis Pasteur is the father of microbiology, and Robert Hooke is the first scientist who visualized the microorganism. Let's move to the next question. A pediatric nurse is caring for the patient who received chemotherapy 10 days ago. Which laboratory value requires the nursing intervention? In that, our correct answer is platelet count of 18,000. Okay. Because the normal value of platelet is around 1,50,000 to 3 lakh. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Our next question says, a 4-year-old patient whose family follows a strict vegetarian diet undergoes a practice physical examination. The pediatric nurse is alert to the patient potential deficiency of, our correct answer is vitamin B12, because B12 naturally found in an animal product including fish, meat, poultry and egg. So let's move to the next question. Our next question says that a pediatric nurse who is caring for a 12-year-old patient with a septic shock perceive a potential complication of fluid resuscitation upon noting. So our correct answer is a rales and bronchi by auscultation, because it is a sign of pulmonary edema. So let's move to the next question. Our next question says that the cardinal sign of pyloric stenosis. So our right answer is projectile vomiting. Okay, let's move to the next question. Cyanotic or blue tet spell seen in. Our correct answer is a C, tetralogy of Fallot. So cyanotic or tet spell refers to a bluish purple color of skin which usually seen in cyanotic congenital heart disease including tetralogy of Fallot. Let's move to the next question. Our next question says, a nurse is caring for an infant following a cleft lip repair while comforting the infant, which should avoid by nurse. And our correct answer is offering a pacifier, because there is a chance of damaging the suture line. Okay. Then our next question. When nurse Chia examines an infant, she is shown that a urinary meatus is located on underside of penis rather than tip. She diagnosed this condition as, so our correct answer is hypospadiasis. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Our next question says, a nurse noticed swelling on fetal scalp that crossed the suture line. What is the assessment finding? So our correct answer is, it is a caput succedaneum. It is a birth defect in that edema present during the birth which crossed the suture line. In cephalhematoma, there is a blood collections which does not cross the suture line. Anencephaly is the absence of the major part of skull. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Which of the following food would be suitable for a child with a celiac disease? And our right answer is buttered popcorn. So celiac disease is a condition in immune reaction to eating gluteal, a protein which found in wheat, barley and rye. So we should avoid these 3 items in our diet. So our right answer is buttered popcorn. Let's move to the next question. Our next question says, which of the following may indicate when newborn is failure to pass meconium within 24 hours? So our right answer is Hirschsprung disease. So Hirschsprung disease is called congenital megacolon, a condition of large intestine, involves missing nerve cells in the muscle of colon. It causes difficulty in passing the stool. So let's move to the next question. Our next question said, which of the following treatment option for a child with the lead poisoning? And our right answer is chelating agent, because chelation therapy is a treatment option for a lead poisoning. In that, medication is given orally, so it binds with the lead and excreted via body. Our next question, assessment finding of infant with a Down syndrome. And our right answer is transverse palmar crease. Okay, let's move to the next question. How to administer eardrops to 2 years of child? And our right answer is pull down and back. As you see in images that we administer eardrop by pull down and back to ear pinna. So in child below 3 year of age, we should pull the ear pinna down and back, and the child above the age of 3 year, we pull the ear pinna up and back. Let's move to the next question. Our next question said that during phototherapy, distance between baby and light source should be. So our right answer is a 45 centimeter. Okay, so this is a picture of a phototherapy. We used this phototherapy treatment option in a patient having a jaundice. So mainly we use blue light sources, and we should cover the eye and genital part of the baby to prevent the further damage. Let's move to the next question. Our next question said that the trisomy 21 syndrome, also known as, and our right answer is a Down syndrome. Let's see other option. That the Turner syndrome is a 45X0. So there is a missing X chromosome. In Cat-Cry syndrome, there is a missing chromosome of 5 number. Then Edwards syndrome have a trisomy 18. So there is an extra chromosome on 18 number. Okay, let's move to the next question. Our next question said that the phimosis is characterized by, and our right answer is, it is a condition in which foreskin is narrowed and cannot retracted over gland. So let's see the other option. The option C, in this condition in which urethral meatus is on ventral surface of penis, and that is called hypospadiasis. And option D, condition in which urethral meatus is on dorsal surface of penis, it is called epispadiasis. Okay, let's move to the next question. Nurse Joe examined the scrotal area of infant, and examination revealed absence of testis in the scrotum. This assessment finding is a sign of, our right answer is cryptorchidism. So this is a condition in which one or both of testes fail to descend from abdomen into scrotal region. So let's move to the next question. Our next question is identify the reflexes shown in image. So this is a reflexes of tonic neck reflexes. So this is a reflexes when a baby's head is turned to the one side and the arm on that side stretches out and the opposite arm bent up at the elbow side. And these reflexes disappear after 5 to 7 months of age. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Identify an image given. So this is an image of Prader's orchidometer, and this test is helped to detect and measure volume and size of the testicle. So here we finish the 20 questions, and if you really get benefits and if you really learn something from this question, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.